All right, hi, thanks for tuning in for another episode. Sometimes people ask us how far we have to go to pick blueberries. Well, to answer their question, there's the outhouse and there's the workshop. So, not very far. So I'm gonna eat these and maybe it's best not to eat the ones so close to the outhouse. All right, hey everyone, it's good to be back at the lodge. My brother dancing like an idiot over there in the trampoline with the kids, and we're cleaning up the cabins. We had a family of 4 staying in one with bunk beds. We had to tear those down and get ready for more people coming in. But today, the kids are excited, and well, I'm excited. Mama's excited as well. Alyssa's mom is coming in for like a whole week, I think. So the kids are stoked. They get to spend the week with grandma. And so they're coming in soon. We'll video that. And that's kind of the point of this first part of this video. I don't know how much grandma will want to be on our vlog, so we'll find out. It is mid-September, and it's good to be home. Got fall colors. Look at it, it's gorgeous out there. Boom! It was cold this morning. So cold that the ground frosted. Over here, the water in the hose froze, and then if you go up, you all know where our spring line goes up into. That froze last night. And then just now, this recently thawed, so we're good to go. We need to keep a closer eye on the weather, because if we know it's going to be clear and cold at night, we usually leave the water running. So now that it's running, I'll shut it off. We topped off all the tanks, and we got guests coming tomorrow. So it kind of feels like a Sunday when you know guests are coming the next day. It's like, oh, got to go back to work. So it's like kind of a Monday. But anyways, what do you do on a day off? What do hiking guides do on their day off? Look at that. I got my binoculars, my backpack, my gun, my boots. Because we're going hiking on our day off. Look at this day. Oh. There you go, Mount Foraker, front and center, 17,000 feet. Pretty awesome. Let's go hiking.
Made it. It's a lot easier now than it was 4 years ago, huh?
Ah, here comes my lunch.
Oh, there she is. Ivy packed the snacks. She's taking her sweet time.
So, what is the most common hike we do out here?
Blueberry Hill.
And then?
Bear Point.
Yeah, where are we heading now?
Bear Point.
Yeah, it seems like on a lot of videos, we head up Bear Point. The view is great, the blueberries are up there, and it's a good trail for the kids. So it seems like it's just kind of what we do for exercise and just getting out. So this is all familiar for your video. But when the mountains are out like that, that's pretty cool. It's always a good day to get out and hike around and say sassafras.
Sassafras.
Perfect. All right, things change fast here in the mountains. You know, it's south central Alaska, so things switch from summer to fall pretty quick. People ask why our summer season ends in mid-September, and some years it's different every year, but right here is Exhibit A on why the tourist season ends in mid-September. You never know when winter's gonna start setting in. Last night we were battling about 40-mile-an-hour gusts of wind, 35 to 40-mile-an-hour gusts. So I'm just gonna walk you around the property, show you what we're up against here. This is an old tarp, so it's not a huge loss, but that's no longer protecting the wood pile. We got the water running right here in this hose. Joe left it running all night so the line wouldn't freeze, and it's just been building up here. Kind of a cool little ice sculpture. And then over here, we definitely got a leaky hose. Because that happened. Yikes, we gotta break that off before it ruins our hose. So anyways, that's about it. It is cold, I should be wearing gloves. Now I can't feel my fingertips. All right, we got nasty weather continuing outside. You check out the lake. We got 30-mile-an-hour gusts still making the wind chop up the lake. So we're gonna wrap up this video inside the warm, cozy house with the fire cranking and ask the family, how do you like your bear meat?
Good.
Yeah? What do you think, Chloe?
Delicious.
Delicious. Did you try the caribou?
Yeah, I don't think it's as good as the bear meat.
Okay.
I think I like caribou more.
You like the caribou more. Nice. Okay, we got caribou from Kyle.
Goodie.
Right, Joe?
Yeah.
All right. Little thumbs up. You guys, would you rather have hot dogs or?
I'd rather eat the dog.
Okay, I gotcha. All right. All right, man. Sign off the video and enjoy your bear meat.
I'm just having a little bit.
Don't. Oh my gosh. Is there enough for me? Did you leave any?
There's a ton back there.
All
We're
right.
all good. Thanks, guys, for watching. Comment below. Hit subscribe if you haven't. And we'll see you in the next video.
Bramante brothers.
Nice up. Oh, he's a stick and potatoes kind of guy. Probably not gonna like bland baby food after this. Hey, Zeke, is that good? What are you laughing at me for? What are you laughing at? Is it funny? Is it more?
He's laughing at the potatoes.
Yummy. Good job. You're good.